India witnessed all-time high laptop purchases as employees were forced to work from home due to the COVID-19 restrictions across the country. According to data from market research firm IDC, notebook shipments grew 105.5% year-on-year in the June quarter. HP remained the market leader in India in the second quarter, accounting for 32.8% of the total share, followed by Lenovo and Dell. Overall, India's traditional PC market, which includes desktops, notebooks and workstations, declined by 37.3% year-on-year in the second quarter. Dell has announced the launch of the new Latitude 7410 Chromebook enterprise laptop for businesses. The company claims it is the first Chromebook to be configurable as either a laptop or a 2-in-1 convertible. It features up to 10th generation Intel Core i7 processors, a maximum of 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 14-inch screen that can be configured with UHD resolution. The company claims that the Chromebook can be powered in less than 3 seconds by simply opening the lid and can keep the lights on for up to 21 hours. It also offers LTE mobile broadband, Intel Wi-Fi 6 and 80% charge in an hour with Dell's Express Charge. The Latitude 7410 Chromebook Enterprise comes with a starting price of $1,299.
Asus Republic of Gamers has refreshed its Strix G15 and G17 gaming laptops with the latest 10th generation Intel Core i7 H series processors, along with the option of an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU. The laptops feature up to a 240Hz FHD screen on the G15 and up to a 144Hz FHD screen on the larger G17, along with up to 32GB RAM and 1TB PCIe storage. The Strix G15 starts from 79,990 rupees on Flipkart, while the G17 starts from 1,04,990 rupees and will be available via Amazon from the third week of August. Google has started rolling out its People Cards feature in India that allows users to create a virtual visiting card on search that will pop up when someone searches for you on Google. The cards will show the photo, profession and location to differentiate from people with the same name, further allowing users to add more details such as contact number and social profiles. To enable the feature, users need to search for Add Me to Search on their mobile phones and enter the details they want to show to the world while being logged in to their Google account. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has reportedly said that if the American tech giant removes Chinese messaging service WeChat from its App Store, it could experience a hit in sales of up to 30%. Kuo said in an online report that the worst-case scenario could cause a decline in iPhone shipments after US President Donald Trump signed an executive order banning US transactions with WeChat parent company Tencent within 45 days. Kuo has said a worldwide ban on WeChat could have grave consequences for Apple due to the size of the Chinese market. Microsoft has announced that its xCloud game streaming service will be available on Android devices from September 15. However, those with a compatible Android mobile device and an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription can try out the service starting today by downloading the beta version of the Xbox Game Pass app. The service will allow users to stream about 30 or so game titles in beta, but that number will shoot up to over 100 titles after its official launch. The Realme Smart TV will now be available for purchase in India through offline stores after months of being exclusive to Flipkart and Realme.com. The HD-ready 32-inch model is priced at 12,999 rupees, while the 43-inch variant comes with an FHD resolution and costs 21,999 rupees. Besides the display, both get the same specs and features, which include a Chroma Boost picture engine, HDR10 support, up to 400 nits of brightness and a built-in Chromecast. The television is powered by a 64-bit MediaTek processor coupled with 1GB RAM and 8GB of internal storage. The Realme Smart TV runs on Android TV 9 Pie and has a 24-watt down-firing 4-speaker system with support for Dolby Audio. Xiaomi has announced a new coral orange color variant for the Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone nearly a year after its launch in India. The special edition smartphone will likely have the same price as the other 4 color variants, which now start at 15,999 rupees for the 6GB RAM 64GB storage base model. To recall, the Note 8 Pro features a 64-megapixel quad-rear camera setup and MediaTek Helio G90T chipset. There's also a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display, dedicated microSD card slot and a Mammoth 4500 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging. Sony has announced that 4 PlayStation 4 controller colors are making a comeback starting this month. The DualShock 4 is reviving the berry blue, red camouflage, rose gold and steel black colors and are on top of the more than 25 existing colors already available worldwide. These 4 colors will be available to buy in retail stores and on digital storefronts like Amazon and GameStop, but Sony did not specify when they would be available to purchase. Notably, Sony has confirmed these controllers won't work with PS5 games but will play backwards compatible PS4 titles.